everyone, and welcome to the brand new exciting project brought to you by the Bacon Club. Yes, this is a new thing I found on Facebook. And what it is according to it, you get ingredients every month apart from the fresh ingredients. So what's quite nice about this is the fact that you get ingredients every month with a recipe within the box. There's two types to this, the Bacon Club and the Bread Club. Check them out on the screen now. So you've got two different variations. Now, as you can see, it's in a very nice presentation box. So let's just open this up and see what we've got inside. Now, what they do is with the Bacon Club, when you're a new member, they give you a free box, and I believe they get sent out. Your normal box will get sent out during the mid of every month, so sort of like the middle of every month. So according to this is a free box because I joined as a new member, and every time you shop you get brownie points, and that goes towards new things. So look at this, very, very nice. We've got what looks to be a shelf life there, baked in as well. And as you can see in here, oh wow. So our free one is, oh look at that, they just know I love cake. Chocolate fudge cake here. So we've got obviously the recipe here, very well presented here. You've got just pictures and some very easy guidance there, and then obviously all the bake time and what you will need. And as you can see, it says here, welcome to the Bacon Club. This box is a free gift from us to keep you going until you get the first box of your subscription. So as you can see, just goes into a bit of the Bacon Club as well. And as you can see, a little bit more information there. What I have noticed is, as you can see, we've got our free little binder there. And as you can see in here, we've got what looks to be very well presented. They've got stickers onto each pack. So this is obviously some of the ingredients. You've got your milk drops, or your chocolate drops if you like. This is very impressive stuff, I have to say. Obviously the cake mix, and then I suspect that's some sort of caster sugar. And then obviously in here you've got your lovely little, oh, isn't that cute? Look at that. The presentation in this company, wow. Happiness is homemade, so that's a cute little binder, and one of my favourites. If it's anything like harsh, like hqppy, they're not that good. But yeah, as you can see, really, really nice. So I can't wait to use that. Obviously, that will be your chocolate fudge cake, and then obviously you put it in there like that. Now, obviously, I'm new to this. I saw it on Facebook, and I'm like, I really like the idea that you've got ingredients included. It looks like we've got a conversion chart or something. Then we've got what looks to be, oh, how cool is this? They've actually provided the right specification for the actual you know, the grease-proof paper for the tin, and then we've got obviously a stick. Not too sure what that's used for at the moment, but as you can see, I'm loving this company so far. I am told that apparently the subscription boxes are a surprise, so you don't actually know what's coming in the pack. It's a bit like the monthly tea club, they just surprise you. But as you can see, I'm going to have a lot of fun with this, because the only things we need to provide is obviously the eggs, milk, and, you know, just the fresh ingredients. But wow, what a company. That is Baked In. If you like what you see, and head over to the website and get this for yourself out of Baked In or the Bread Bake, because there's two different subscriptions, and I will look into doing that. But I hope you like that video. Please remember to like and subscribe. This is new, coming to the channel soon. And as you can see, whereas Disney with hqppy, they just provide you the tools, this company is awesome because they're providing you all the ingredients apart from the fresh one. You can't get any better than that. That is so cool, and I love it. 10 out of 10. Hope you like that video. Coming soon. Bye bye.